Mango Math, Helping to Grow Math Confident Kids, presents Shape Search, a kindergarten game. Shape Search is a game that falls under the math strand of geometry and adheres to the Common Core standard that it's a geometry game to help students identify and name two-dimensional figures in a real-world context. Shape Search comes with some math terms to help better their understanding of the different shapes. So there's horizontal, which goes from left to right, vertical, which goes from top to bottom, diagonal going from corner to corner or on a slant. Hexagon is a six-sided shape. Trapezoid, four-sided with two pairs of parallel sides. Rhombus, four equal sides and equal opposite angles, and you can show the difference on what that is with the shapes. Rectangle, four sides with four right angles and two pairs of opposite equal parallel sides. Circle, a continuous line which is always the same distance from the center. Triangle, a three-sided polygon or three-sided shape. And a square, which has four equal sides. The supplies that will be provided in the tote or in the plastic bag will be a Shape Search game board, a spinner, a pie chart, a spinner, and some bicolor counters. To play this game, students will notice that on the Shape Search board are a bunch of pictures, and they will spin the spinner to determine if the shape that they land on looks like the shape in one of the pictures on the board. So for example, if they spin their spinner and it lands at circle, they can look around the board and determine what things look like a circle. Well, I think the sun looks like a circle, so they'll put their counter on the circle. The next player will play and they'll spin the spinner, and let's say it lands on triangle. So they'll figure out what thing looks like a triangle on the board and they'll cover it up. The teepee looks like a triangle, so they'll do that. And they'll continue to spin and cover up shapes on the board. Once they have four counters in a row, either vertically, diagonally, or horizontally, they win the game. If a student should spin a shape that they can't find on the board, they lose their turn and it's the next player's turn. It's a great little game to play. While they're playing, you can ask some guided questions to promote critical thinking, which is what shapes were hard to locate, what shapes were easy to locate. Can you name or find other objects that have these different shapes in them, like a hexagon, a trapezoid, a rhombus, a rectangle, a circle, and a triangle? On the spinner, a square and rectangle were put together. What makes a square unique? And you can also say what makes it like a rectangle. So the students can have these questions to help promote their thinking. It's a great game, so enjoy.